Hello everyone, this is Ty Cole. In this video, we're going to field strip a Glock handgun. The particular model we're going to demonstrate with today is a Glock Model 22, which is chambered in .40 caliber. Now this field strip works with all Glock handguns. First thing you want to do is make sure that the firearm is safe to handle. While doing so, we're going to obey all 3 rules of safe gun handling. We're going to keep it pointed in a safe direction with our finger off the trigger. And we're going to make sure that the firearm is unloaded since we don't plan on using it. There's no magazine in the frame. There's no cartridge in the chamber. This is a safe firearm to handle. I'm going to do it in real time and then explain it, slow it down step by step. So you decock, over, down on the takedown, spring and guide rod, barrel, slide. 4 pieces. Okay, the first step to field stripping is to decock the firearm. Since we have no manual decock lever, we're simply going to dry fire. We decocked it. Decock the firearm. Next step, reach over, grab the slide. You're only going to pull it back about 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. That's all you can get with this position, and this is perfect. You have a manual takedown lever. You have a protruding tab on both sides of the firearm. This is a pass-through lever. You're going to pull down on both sides simultaneously. Now release the slide forward, and you have your lower frame and your slide full of components. Next step, pull down on your spring and guide rod to remove. Take your index finger and push your barrel out to give you something to hold on to while you remove it. So you have your lower unit, your frame, you have your slide, you have your barrel, you have your spring and guide rod. 4 components to the field strip Glock. Now you will notice that your Glock handgun has a poly frame and it's really light once you pick it up, with none of the other steel heavy components. All the internals that need to be are stainless steel. Your slide, your barrel lug, trigger mechanisms, your slide lock and release lever, etc. So this is that pass-through breakdown lever we were talking about here. This is your magazine release, and this is your slide lock or slide release. Up, it locks the slide. Down, it releases the slide. Now your slide is like agricultural heavy duty. It's a big block. It's machined from one solid bar stock. And it has your firing pin and your extractor and some springs interior. But this is just as far as for field stripping and cleaning and inspection. This is all that the layman needs to worry about. Okay, for our reassembly, you work with the slide moving backwards. From the disassembly to reassemble, you move backwards. So you have your slide. You're going to go ahead and put your barrel in, up and back, again, up and back, and it'll stay there on its own. Your spring and guide rod, you have a big, round, flat end and a little tapered end. The little tapered end goes down, requires just a little bit of compression of the spring. And then you have your assembled slide. You have these guide rails. You're simply going to line up your guide rails with your slide. And then you have your working Glock handgun again. I hope this video helped you guys safely and efficiently field strip any of your Glock handguns. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. We're going to have all different types of videos on many different topics. Really, my life history and background poured onto my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.